Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this video quickly show you technical question as well as possible answer. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, simply ask me in comment section. Please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you and let's move to the question. So friends, question is how do I return the response from an asynchronous call? So I will show you this question answer. So without any delay, let's start. So friends, I hope you understand this solution, and if you have any question related to this problem, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.